So today's October 9th. I made just over $1,000 in my funded accounts. I'm going to show you how I did that trade in the NASDAQ this morning. So here's executions, here's P&L, three separate funded accounts, and it's also recorded on my YouTube from the live stream this morning. So coming off market open, we had this really big SMT, and we really didn't open up any gaps, right, coming down, right? We opened up this 5-minute gap up here as we were trading down, and then we traded pretty far away from it, and then we retraced really quickly up into it. So we almost spiked up. We had a great reaction off of it, right? Like once I take away this, you can see we just wicked up into it, came straight back down. So at that point, I was leaning kind of bearish, but I liked the reaction we had off these lows down here. So we swept that, wicked it. We immediately inversed as 1 minute recreated. So I took a long off that. It wasn't actually a 1 minute, I'm sorry. It was a 30-second. So yeah, it was this 30-second gap right here. I actually didn't like the close though, because see, we closed all the way up there, so it kind of messed up my risk to reward. But it's not like it mattered though, because I put my stop down here. I targeted just above these like relative equal highs for a 1-to-1, and then I went break even the second we hit that internal high, right, which is right up here. It's kind of hard to see, but I got break even stopped almost instantly, saved me from a loss. So from then we kept going down, right? We finally opened up another 5-minute gap at this point right here. See, I marked out this unfilled 5-minute gap at that point. Then it was on the 30-second yet again. I took another long. So we inverted this gap right here. I took a long right here. It looks like it didn't hit, but I'm on MNQ right now. On NQ, it actually hit. So I just took a 1-to-1 pretty much. So like, I'll just mark it out for you real quick. Right, so there's that. Just going for a 1-to-1 targeting that unfilled gap. So I feel like we need to rebalance that range, and we just hit EQ, this higher time frame range. So I noticed though on NQ, once I move over to NQ, at that same point we actually made equal highs, right? I marked them out over here. Exactly equal highs. So I actually was considering taking another setup, but I figured the price action wasn't the best today. And I really didn't want to take another trade, to be honest. I was already up on the day, didn't want to take it. But see, we had this 1 minute right here, and then we inverse that. I could have yet again taken a 1-to-1, targeting this. It's still technically unfilled, right, this gap, and they're swing equal highs over there now. So I could have taken that. I mean, you would have went for like a 1-to-1, so I'd enter a little lower here, right? But yeah, so basically though, I hesitated on that trade with good reason though. Price action was horrible today. But yeah, so these were all the trades I considered today. This one honestly played out pretty well. Let me know in the comments how you did though.